Okay, so what we'll do is we will see how to use count as aggregate function. So first we will open command prompt and we will start our Neo4J console. So we will type in Neo4J and then console. Okay, if you have already background service running, then you can directly go to localhost 7474 and that should take you to Neo4J browser. Okay, so what we'll do is first we will have our query editor, some value. So we'll basically create, let's say, a plant family, and here let's name this as, let's say, this plant and year 2021. Okay, similarly I also want to have one more plant, or I can even have fruit. Okay, and let's name this, okay, and I can have year as 2020, and we can push this so that you can view that. Okay, so our two nodes added with labels. So what I want to do is I want to use aggregate function named count. Okay, so to do that, what I will do is I will write my query as match node for family, and then in next line I wish to check for node.year is greater than 2019. Only those nodes need to be shown or returned. Okay, so I have added multiple nodes, not just these two, so it will count all of them. Okay, so in next line we will basically ask it to return those. So we use count function for that and return those nodes. Okay, and then we will click on run and it will return with 6. So I added 2 right now, and earlier I had 4, so total count goes to 6. So you get the idea how to use Neo4J aggregate function named count.